Hey guys, I'm changing the rear brake pads on my Triumph Street Triple RS, and I thought to make a video and add it to my maintenance playlist that I have here on YouTube. The brake pads are quite worn out, the rear ones. They're down to about 5 to 10% max, and yeah, really due. Now, to release them, I just apply some pressure from both sides of the caliper, and that compresses the pistons, and it will be easier to remove them. I'm just joking here. It's not, doesn't take so much force to get it out. That's the pin here. It has a little hole on one side, so that's where that safety pin was placed, just there. So yeah, when you put it back, just rotate it to make sure it's in the right place. I'm gonna give them a wash in a minute, but here's the brake pads. They're the original ones. I haven't had to change them since I had the bike. I've done 40,000 kilometers, maybe 25,000 miles. But yeah, look how they didn't have much left. These are the new ones. Just bought them now, and look at the profile on them. They've got quite a bit to go through. You can pause the screen and see the model if you're interested in buying the same ones for some reason. But just see your local dealer, and we'll sell you the. We'll tell you what options they have and choose what you want. To put them in, just make sure you put them this way, not the other side. I had to press the pistons even more in to fit the new ones, because they have so much more profile now, being new. So what I do is I get a flathead screwdriver and put it between the just in front of the piston and rotate it. So I push the piston in a bit to make space for the new pads. Just align the holes, and yeah, here I'm using a bit of WD-40 to give them a good clean, and then so much easier fits into this point. But then I had to give it a bit of hammering from this side to get it back in. I can only see half of the little hole, so I have to give it another bang, and there you go. I can see the hole completely now. So yeah, just put the pin back on, and should be good to go. Just have to pump the rear brakes a bit just to get the pistons engaging, and yeah, take it for a ride and apply the brake, test it. I have a race coming up soon, just here locally, just a quarter-mile sprint. It's a curved track, so it's not straight, it's curved, and you have a limited space to brake, but it's all legit organized by the city here. So yeah, I'll need to get the brake pads happening, because I'll need all the brakes I have to stop on time. Thanks guys, have a good one. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a like, it will help my channel, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I have videos on how to change the spark plugs, the coolant, the oil, the air filter, and some other videos. Just check out my playlist, I'll link it in the description. Stay upright.